guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a text passage through the video. In this way you can make your video the more attractive. Now let's dive in. First of all, you need to import the text, add default text and write what do you want to write. Now change the font style. Then increase the size. Now go to the animation and select this flipping. Now add the flipping animation in your text and increase the duration. Now drag your text according to your video. Now increase the duration. Now your text video has been created. Export this video. Rename your video and hit the export. In this way, your one video, the texted video with the animation, has been created. Now go to import and import the original passage video, and again import your exported video, the text video. Now add the text video in the timeline. And add the original passage video in the timeline. Now make the texted video above the original video clip and increase the size in order to add it easily. Then select the exported video and go to the blend and change the mode to multiply. Now play the video and the video will be appear in the text. Now adjust the point. From this point, go to the mask. Select mask and select mirror. Now extend the mirror mask and from there add the keyframe. Now play the video and squeeze the mask. Now adjust the mask a little bit and squeeze more and increase the feather. Add another keyframe. Now play the video more and extend the feather to full or to end and add another keyframe. You can also increase or decrease the feather from there. Now play the video. And go to the animation again. Select the animation. Go to out and select fade out. Now increase the duration. Now make your texted video clip to equal to other video clip. In this way, you can easily make the text passage through the video. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon in order to get updated. Thank you so much for watching.